back. Dude, it's 8 a.m. for me here. It's a beautiful morning. It's nice and cool and crisp. And look what we got. We got a few little clouds over here. We got sky creature right there. Some more stuff over here. A few clouds here and there, you know. Oh yeah, look at this over here. Nothing to see there, folks. Look way out there. Look at me, fucking. Look at the bugs. Alright. You see it way up there? Oh no. You see that? Way in there, look. Oh, I can see it. That's not the most thing. The most thing I want to show you. The best thing I want to show you. It's right up here. Da, 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 Mr. Moon. I see you.